try and set up the next presentation. And introduce Aftab Hassan, who is the CEO of Aria Insurance Brokerage Company, LLC. He is the Managing Director and CEO of Maritime Management Company and MMC Global India PVT Limited. He is also Chairman of A2R Solutions. He has 2 bachelor degrees, one in science and another in engineering, a master degree in business management, and various diplomas and certificate courses on strategic planning, M&A and quality management. He is a senior management professional with 23 years senior leadership roles working with multinationals in India and the Middle East, has been involved with oil, gas, marine, offshore consortiums locally and regionally, and his vast experience has been with various structures, including turnaround strategies within the marine, energy, oil and gas, construction, infrastructure project development, real estate development. You're beginning to get a feel. This man has lots of experience. And telecom industry, which really defines how he's here to talk to us today about managing risk of energy and marine insurance in turbulent times. Aftab Hassan, please.
From morning, we have been seeing presentation from different colleagues, whereas I'm a very optimistic man, and the last but not the least for the day, I've been assigned to give a presentation on managing risk of energy and marine insurance in turbulent time. Of course, it's a turbulent time, but I'll try to keep it as balanced as possible. The gentleman just left comes from the legal fraternity, and we have gone ourselves as a vessel owners, because as I'm wearing different hats, as he was mentioning, and we know the pain how we have to go through when it comes to legitimate your legal claims. And I will go through also in between. You will see some of the factors which from morning which you have been listening comes also and is a part of this presentation. But to start with, I have once all villagers decided to pray for rain. On the day of prayer, all the people gathered, but only one boy came with an umbrella. What is that? Can anyone answer that? That's faith. When you throw a baby in the air, he laughs because he knows you're going to catch him. What is that? That's trust. Every night we go to bed without any assurance of being alive in the next morning, but still we set the alarm in our watch to wake up. And what's that? That's hope. Very good. We plan big things for tomorrow in spite of zero knowledge of the failure or having certainty or uncertainties. And what's that? That's confidence. We see the world suffering. We know there is every possibility of same or similar thing happening to us, but still we get married. That is very important. What's that? We all should know here. That's overconfidence, my friend. Okay, so with that note, I won't take much of the time. Let me go through. I believe I should use this. Okay. So this is my outline of the presentation, which starts from understanding of risk, and then economic outlook and energy marine industry, how it is, and then the summary, major factors driving insurance industry after financial meltdown, the 10 most experienced earthquake in history pre-Japan, the 10 most expensive operator extra expenses losses in history, after Japan quake, what next for the energy insurance market, and then I'll give a quick recap on the Japan quake and effects on the energy insurance market. We remember Macondo. So Macondo Deepwater Horizon oil rig explosion, what next for the energy insurance market? And then I'll give a rundown on the general state of the market post-recession, then the writing environment with upstream and downstream, then regional overview of marine insurance. So let's go. We heard from Fadi and in the morning, Enterprise Risk Management, ERM. So what is risk? In every aspect of our life, there is a hope. That's what I said. We have the faith, we have the trust, we have the confidence, and we have overconfidence as well. But there is an element which is risk involved. So what is risk? Let's put a magnifying glass and look for that. I'll try to find out for all of us. Some of us might define it as follows. Risk is the potential that a chosen action or activity will lead to a loss, which is an undesirable outcome. No one wants that. Someone will say exposure to the possibility of loss, injury, or other adverse or unwelcome circumstances, a chance or situation involving such a possibility. If we go for ISO Guideline 73, that define effect of uncertainty on objectives. In information security, risk is defined as the potential that a given threat will exploit vulnerabilities of an asset or group of assets and thereby cause harm to the organization. And if I give another definition, risk are future problems that can be avoided or mitigated rather than current ones that must be immediately addressed. Now, my friend, I have given you various definitions, and you see the ambiguity of risk, which is defined in different form and fashion and in different industries, which has been taken. Since this is a crowd of insurance professionals, practitioners, let's talk about our perspective in terms of risk in insurance. The many inconsistent and ambiguous meaning attached to risk lead to widespread confusion and also mean that very different approaches to risk management are taken in different fields. So every risk has an assessment or a measurement of risk. As risk carries so many different meanings, there are many formal methods used to assess or to measure risk. Risk, as I said, could be a state of uncertainty where some of the possibilities involves a loss, catastrophe, or other undesirable outcome. And the measurement of risk, a set of possibilities, each with quantified probabilities and quantified losses. For example, there's a 40% chance the proposed oil well will be dry with a loss of $12 million in exploratory drilling costs, and that's the risk. Perception of risk in insurance. Insurance is a risk-reducing investment in which the buyer pays a small fixed amount to be protected from a potential large loss. I think that should be the tagline for many of us for the client. Definition of insurance risk. The simplest definition of insurance risk is the chance that an insurance company will have to pay a claim on a policy they have underwritten, although there are other specific meanings, as I was telling you. The concept of insurance risk. The general concept behind insurance is to find a group of people exposed to the same risk and then mitigate that risk by spreading it out. Each member of the group contributes a small amount representing the event risk, and the total amount will be used to compensate those few who do suffer a risk even during the term of their policy. That's what a general understanding is. Now let's talk about economic outlook and then energy and marine industry. What are the effect and after effect? So as we know that the world economy ran out of steam in 2008, while 2008 was also a record year or a boom year for some, as the economic boom reached its peak in the first half of the year. Then the worldwide energy industry, ravaged by the economy and financial crisis over the last 2 years, has